Introducing the KVM-7050W 7-inch 3G HD-SDI on-camera monitor. The KVM-7050W is perfect for a wide variety of productions, whether in the studio or on location. Its 170-degree viewing angle allows you to see a clear, vibrant image from just about any viewing position. The KVM-7050W is equipped with dual 3G SDI inputs with loop-through outputs, as well as composite, component, HDMI, and tally inputs. A fully adjustable picture-in-picture feature makes viewing and switching between video sources a breeze. The KVM-7050W's bright LCD screen features a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels and includes professional software features such as a built-in waveform, vectorscope, histogram, false color, peaking, and DSLR scaling. These features help ensure proper focus, exposure, and color balance while shooting. As an added tool, the KVM-7050W also has a pixel measure feature, which measures color values of individual pixels on your screen. Its rugged, heavy-duty aluminum frame was designed for use in the field, and the included Sony L battery plate will allow you to shoot all day without interruption. Included with the KVM-7050W is a soft case, sunhood, shoe mount, and an AC adapter. The KVM-7050W, a compact, versatile, on-camera monitor with plenty of control options. From Ikan, features you need, prices you want.